Hello YouTube, me and the mighty 86 are back at you again with yet another video, and today we're going to talk about, and that ain't even its final form. Can we look at this? First of all, we ain't gonna talk about nothing right now. We're gonna look at this car. As you guys know, I just got this carbon fiber wing about 3 weeks ago. MBRP axle back. Haven't changed the rims yet, but they're in the cart. I did do a tire video on, and that'll probably give you a brief hint on what I'm gonna go with for the winter, because I will be driving this thing in the winter sometimes. The Fujiwara Tofu Shop sticker. No front lip yet, but I'm working on it. The front end already looks fantastic, but I do want to put that carbon fiber front lip on to kind of mesh with the wing on the back. So still more mods to come, but that's not what I want to talk about today. I just wanted to admire the car, you know, so you guys can get a good look at it. Don't it look like a GT3 almost? Generic version? It's cool. I'll roll with that. People still love the car. Anyways, I want to talk to you guys about 5 reasons why you need to buy this car, like right now. Right now. You know what? Reason number 1. I had the base model, right? Before I even get in the car. No extra spoiler on the back, but you can get that at the factory if you want it. I still think I'm gonna get one. It might not be the exaggerated one up here, but it's definitely gonna be something right there, just again to match with this lovely swan neck spoiler. So I'm definitely gonna get something right there. And again, the mods that you could put on this thing, that's definitely reason number 1. And reason number 2, to the door panels. Now I'm joking. Shout out to Joe Rady. I love watching his videos because he's very entertaining when it comes to that. No, the door panels suck in this car. And again, I have the base model, so I don't get no Alcantara or nothing crazy like that. So, but reason number 2, the gauge cluster. You know, this is probably the best gauge cluster in its class. I would say anything between between $25,000 and $45,000. This is the best gauge cluster. It gives you all the information you need. As you can see, they got the track mode switch up. You know, heck, the Integra Type S doesn't even do this, bro. So I'm just saying, it's the best one. You paying way less, you know, than what you would pay for in the Integra Type S. So that's reason number 2. Reason number 3 is this. This is a dying breed, as we all know. The 6-speed is slowly fading away. It looks like a couple of car companies are doing that. Shout out to Going in 60. I did borrow that from you, and I will tag you somewhere in this video if I could. I do watch his videos. He is a fellow 86 owner, and you know, although we all do know that manuals are kind of dying, you know, it's just safe for me to note that, you know, I got that from him because I just watched this video. I do get inspiration from a lot of people who have 86s just like I do. Now, what am I at? Reason number 3. I would say the engine. It's very reliable. It's very fun. It sounds great, even though the axle back is kind of amping it up a tad bit. I think that the engine sounds just great. Again, for this price range, it sounds phenomenal. I think it is very reliable. And again, I'm telling you guys, again, I got this car at 7,000 miles, 6,000 miles, 6,000 something. I can't remember the exact, so don't quote me. But I'm at 19,000, you know, since I made the YouTube videos. So I've got quite a few miles on this car, and I can tell you from experience, and a lot of highway miles as well, this car is a good cruiser. It's very reliable. It doesn't drone even with my axle back on it. So the engine, to be honest, the FA24 is top notch thus far. I'm still under warranty, so I'm gonna flex a little bit, because if anything happens to this thing, I believe I'm covered as of right now still. So, but yeah, so far so good, fellas. I don't think I'm having any issues right now with this car, none at all, really. I can't, there's nothing unusual to report in a sense. Reason number 4 why you should get this car right now is simply because this car is about to appreciate, fellas. I'm sorry to tell you. The MF Ghost is out. Initial D sequel is being animated as we speak, and it's going to be good. And once people catch wind of this anime and people have something to get influenced by, i.e. young people, young kids, young 18, 20-year-olds that are getting their first car, this car will start going up in price. The 2023 GR86 will definitely, the Trueno edition, because they're only making 860 of them. That car will definitely be, I would say, about 37, 38 grand easy. And again, these cars at base level is what, 29.9 or 30,000. So yeah, you'll be paying like 10,000 over MSRP. I believe the newer base models will be about 32, 33, and not 30, just due to the fact that dealers know these things. Dealers know that people watch anime, and people know, and dealers know that what sells, right? Obviously. And even the previous Gen 86, if you get a used good one unmodded, it's still a pretty good price. You probably pay about 18, 19 grand for it, because it's still a damn good car, and it's capable, and it's lightweight. It hits all, the magic formula, rear wheel drive, so I would just say, just get it while you can. It's gonna appreciate. And just don't be surprised in a couple of months if you were on the fence about it, you looked at getting it, and it's out of your reach now because the markups got horrendous in a sense. So I hope you guys are looking at that and paying attention to the landscape, because the price will change, and it will definitely go in the wrong direction. They will not depreciate. These cars will appreciate. And for those of you car collectors out there, or who want to flip the car, now would be the time to buy them. And reason number 5, it has a very unique miles per gallon feature. Once you get behind the wheel of one of these things, all you want to do is laugh, giggle, and look like a little schoolgirl going to an ice cream truck after school, back when ice cream was 25 cents and you can get 4 for $1, and you just so happen to not spend that $1 at lunch, and you see the ice cream truck pull up, and you realize you got ice cream for 4 days, because moms ain't gonna let you eat all 4 of those ice creams at once. But yeah, miles per gallon, just like my other car, the Miata, this car will provide plenty of smiles, plenty of fun, plenty of laughter. You get very attached to this car just due to learning how to drive it and knowing what what you're capable of doing, and then improving. You will know when you improve in this car, because it'll feel a lot better. It'll feel a lot more fun. It'll definitely be something that you will be looking forward to driving every time you want to get out and go drive. And it sucks that I couldn't show you guys, a better route. I'm just not used to this area. I'm only here for work, and I just so happen to run into traffic. So next time I'll probably just take a better route, but I figured I'd put out a video for the simple fact to, let you know the 5 great things about this car, for those of you who are still on the fence about it, and also give you a brief description of my experience of the car so far, because again, this car, I'll go in this neighborhood, why not, and turn around. This car is definitely one of the best cars I ever had, and I've had quite a bit. And part of that is a little bit of bias, but most of it, honestly, I love the car. So that's all I got today, fellas. And again, the car is gonna appreciate, so please, if you're in the market, just do your research. Hopefully you know a couple of dealers or something like that can give you an awesome deal. And I hope you guys do get good deals on the car. I don't want you to pay over MSRP, but I'm just telling you, the car is gonna go up in price. So that's all I got, fellas. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I appreciate the love for all the new subscribers that came in. Again, I make a video at least every week or week and a half. I try to do my best. I'm still learning here, so any feedback would be great, and I appreciate all of y'all. Peace.